trees up here are full of pine cones, and this is what they like to eat. You can see he's having one right now. There we go. You can see you can just take a piece of nut there. Let me see, give it to him. Maybe he wants this one. There we go. He does want it. He thinks that one's been eaten too much, maybe. Hey, let go of my phone. You lurky blurk. And the other thing that monkeys like to eat is this stuff. It's called lichen. Let me see if I can get you a good shot of it. Lichen is a kind of moss, I guess. Get it on the trees. They like this very much. And this, if you think about it, is actually their main food. This stuff smells a little bit like seaweed. I wonder if it tastes that way. Try a little bit. Tastes exactly like seaweed. Funny, huh? Strange, huh? It grows pretty quickly, and it grows very high. You can see it just grows right on the edge of the tree. Anyway, this is what the monkeys also eat. It's called lichen. They like it very much. So, it gives them a lot of energy. Here, let me just see if I can focus it a little bit. You can see it's some kind of, it's like a mossy sort of stuff. The monkey is trying to steal my bag. Don't steal my bag. See if we can give him a little bit of moss, okay? A little bit of lichen. Though they can find this stuff themselves. They probably... You can see up here, let's see. Yeah, there we go. Guinea pup. Hello. He's sitting on my lap, as you can see. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I'm gonna open my jacket. What do you want? Here. You want to look inside there? Do you know how to open these things? Do you know? Do you know how to open these things? Are you a little girl or a little boy? A little boy, right? You're a little boy. Where do you live? Hey. Hey, don't steal it. Don't steal my phone. Don't steal my phone, you little blurk. This is mine. It's mine. It's mine. Let go. Let go. Let go. The babies can't eat this yet, but in a couple of months, they will be able to. So these are the very soft little leaves. Very nice, for small monkeys. The monkeys that are born earlier in the cold time still drink their mummy's milk, and then after a couple of months their teeth get better, they can eat these little buds. And then after a couple of months these buds will become hotter, bigger leaves, and their teeth will also grow and they'll be able to eat them. So that's the other food monkeys eat.